What's up, guys? It's your boy JB5.3 bringing you another video today. My truck is having rubbing issues, so we'll be going to Bloomington Tires to check out what the hell's going on. I think it's just like my front left side, so we're gonna go check it out. Here's the truck all dirty and shit, but we're about to take off right now. It's freaking Saturday in the morning, so it's quite a drive for me. This is where my truck's been rubbing. I don't know if you can really see it, but usually when I turn right in there, it's where it starts rubbing. So here's the finished result. What ended up happening from the rubbing issues on my front tire was I ended up putting drop shocks in there. You probably can't see in there, but because it was rubbing on this side right about here, because it was sitting on the stock shocks, but we upgraded the shocks, so there shouldn't be any more rubbing issues anymore. And as you can see, there's no more white lettering on the tires anymore. So I ended up getting tires at the same time. Might as well, you know. They were going close to 2 years already, and I didn't need them, but it was gonna come up pretty soon, so I might as well did both at the same time. And yeah, guys, here's the end result. That black and black starting to look good again. I missed that look. What's up, guys? Here's a little quick question. What should I do next for my truck? The two things that I want to do as of now is usually either get a sunroof or do a color match. So I've been thinking, if I get a sunroof, it's about to be winter time, so it might be kind of pointless because it's gonna be pretty freaking cold and I ain't gonna be opening up that sunroof. So I was thinking maybe a color match, just so we can get the whole black on black, make it look good. I'm tired of seeing the chrome. So just go ahead and drop your suggestion in the comment section below. Give me some suggestions, or maybe something else I should do to my truck. Let me know.